welcome to the channel once again for this jolly video. This is a video that doesn't follow the sequence of Wednesday publication, so on. I had something new. I want to tell you, to share with you the news. So I've decided sometimes I can do a video and publish. So just to keep in touch with you, to explain what am I doing and to announce perhaps something new for the future for the channel. Thank you very much. Let's start with something I have received this week. 4 packages from Banggood, from eBay, from UK. Comment, like, subscribe. And we start with this envelope. This envelope is obviously from Banggood. And I know what's inside. I know very well. I can okay, so you can see, and a little bit of light more. No, it's okay. Look at this. This is very, very tiny. This is the servo, the steering servo for this. This will be my next project. I want to build it. It's a new adventure. I never built something like this kind of car, and so little. This is 132, and it's a phone-sized RC car. I don't know what to do. I have to follow the instructions. And I will follow with you step by step. I know that I want to paint the cage and the wheels, and I want to have lights. I want to have all the radio inside the car, and perhaps also the pilot. So it would be a good adventure and nice. This is the servo. I was waiting for it here inside. Then a new package is this envelope that came from I know that it's from England, but there's no other name, the name. Okay, and we can open it. I try to open it as well as possible, as I would like to reuse the envelope in order not to have too much pollution on our pool hair. So, what inside? Bearings, and thank you for your order. eBay, this bearing set is for another thing, a bigger thing. This one, and Yes, okay. And we open this big box. This big box. Okay, I have to pay the fee because it comes from UK, and UK is no more in the United Europe. Attention, this is not a new thing, but it is wonderful. What you say? Mercedes Unimog. Come on. Wonderful. This will something. It is something for the future. Bearings inside. Well, we will do the unboxing, even if it's quite old, but it is classic. And this is the other thing. And at last, this pack, this envelope, plastic envelope, with what do you think? Extremely well packed. This comes from Italy, and yoo-hoo! Paintings. Black, white, green. Green is for the Unimog, just for fenders, because I have an idea. Transparent red from Tamiya, this is very important. Black to finish the bodies, white to finish the bodies. And with this, for today, it is all. Comments, like, and subscribe. The more we are, the better it is. Yoo-hoo! Bye-bye.